common Bisaya phrases for leave-taking or saying goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye. It means goodbye or bye. Sige, una sa ko. It means, okay, I'll go ahead first. Sige, lakaw na mi. It means, okay, we're heading out. Manguli na mi. It means, we're going home now. Muuli na ko. It means, I'm going home now. Salamat kaayo ha. Arisa mi. It means, thank you so much. We'll head over first or we'll go now. Salamat sa tanan. Thanks for everything. Kita ta puhon. It means see you sometime. Hangtod sa sunod. It means until next time. Tawagi ko kung abot na ka. It means call me when you arrive. Teksi ko ha. It means message me, okay? Pahulay na. It means get some rest. Now let's have short dialogue. Situation: saying goodbye at a relative's house.
Sige, muli na mi.
Sige, amping mo.
Salamat, sunod na pod.
Oh, balik mo puhon ha? Maulang sana karon? So which phrase or expression do you usually use when you say goodbye to someone? Or which one do you usually hear? For those who are just starting to learn Bisaya, we now offer a new beginner course. Please visit our website for more details. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw sa among mga video. Follow our Facebook page for more Cebuano videos. Sa sunod na sad,